갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야
welcome back to my channel. Please them here again. Guys, in today's video I just want to do unboxing. So this unboxing, it happens to be a let me just put it, so I don't know what is inside. So I want you guys to join me to see. Let's see inside there. One before the second one, but it's still unboxing that I'm doing today. Guys, let's just go into it together. 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본다. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. Yes, here is the wire they used to connect it with the gas. Because this one uses gas, use electric. It uses gas.
내 맘을 고백할게. 내 맘을 받아줘. 영원히 변치 않을 테니. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy.
And here now, it has rubber that will hold it, it will not be shaking. Like the old one I have, the previous one that I'm using is manual. How to use it, I've already seen everything how to do it. So I think this one is not much importance for us now. So now, let's keep this one aside and start for the second one. Yeah. So, yes, this is what we are talking about. This is the main one, guys. This thing was just, it has been long now. So without wasting time, let's go into the unboxing. I can see that because you promised me, let's just unbox it together and see which one is candy product. Let's see this one because you know it's a surprise something. We need to see it together. Ooh. Yes, sir. Silver, that is my best color. I love silver more than everything. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. Yes, so I'm happy. I'm happy. Wow. Oh, this is candy product. Guys, it's amazing. Sorry guys, I'm unboxing with my son. You can hear his voice on the background. As mommy is happy, he's also happy too. So here is it, guys. So wow, let's open it together. I'm gonna give me space. Wow, look at everything here now. You can see here is the on and off. You can twist it. If you want it in 250 degrees, you can put it. You can put it, everything depending the way you want it. You see it. And here now, you see it's smart Wi-Fi. Smart, yes, smart 5. Wow, it has Wi-Fi also. It uses Wi-Fi. So, and it also everything. We are bringing it out. This one is the rubber. It's like we are going to put it somewhere. I don't understand where they will use this one because I'm going to read manual before everything. You see how everything is coming out. Yeah. Wow. Look at here now. Let's remove this stripper. Look at this one. When you put this thing, you will put the tremper and you push it inside. Yes, that is how this one works. This one always sits on the tremper. It will go together with it. When you are drawing it, it will come out with it. Guys, this is so amazing. I'm happy, I'm so excited. I say hubby, thank you very much. Here is the hanger. So guys, this is how it works. This one will go on his own. So you can put it on the top. Wow. I'm so excited. That is it. You see everything how it works. And here now, you can boil water. If you need the Wi-Fi on, you can on the Wi-Fi. Do you want whatever you are doing, you can put it. This is the reset. Here is the on. And now, if you want to make pizza, you can put it on the pizza. If you want to dry meat, even if you want to boil water, you can still use it and boil water. And here is the light. If you want the light on, so everything. Here we are just doing it unboxing. On the day of cooking, I'll still let you know about it. I'm going to stand up. I'll still let you know about it. And please guys, don't forget to let me know how you feel in the comment section. You see it. This is R3. That is A plus 3. This one, it doesn't exhaust lights. Yes, it doesn't exhaust lights. It just put you know, if it's R1, that is R1, A1, it will consume lights. But since it's A3, it will not consume lights, just small. And here is the pepper. I don't know how much hubby bought it, but I'll ask him and put it on the screenshot on the screen also. You will see it will come out there how much she bought it. Okay, I've collected the receipt from hubby. So he bought it 500 and that is almost 600 euro. Yes, that is how much he bought it. And here this is it for the two, for this one and this one is set. He bought it set. So when he bought the set, just 580 euros. 580 euros, yes, that is it. But it's 2 years guarantee. Wow. But obviously 2 years guarantee. Yeah, 2 years guarantee. Hobby paid extra 80 euros to make it 6 years guarantee. So now it has 6 years guarantee. The two has 6 years guarantee.
첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야
It's written in Italy. So that is the Italy language. I know you cannot see it, but people lives in Italy will know what I'm saying and the brand where we got it. Yes, that is it exactly. That is it. For everything is 500, everything is 600 euros, not 500, sorry. So that is it.